Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on BLACKVIEW A70. So as we all know, the Fortnite is not available on any Google Play Store instances. So let's try actually finding it just to make sure. I opened Google Play Store, now let's write Fortnite. Hit the search button and as you can see there's no results found. Now the next possible way to find it is on Epic Games app, and simply download this app from Epic Games Store website using any browser. I already installed it, now let's open it. Here we can see the Fortnite, click get, and as you can see this device is not supported, so that means you can't play Fortnite on BLACKVIEW A70. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.